Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how these e-bike companies are adding Apple Find My into their e-bikes? Well, I was curious, so I reached out to them and I asked them, I said, I know you've raised the price of your e-bikes a couple $100s by adding Apple Find My. My question is, are you adding an Apple AirTag to do that? And I was actually quite surprised. They said, no, we are not. We're adding another product which does the exact same function. It's about half the price. It comes in a plastic mold, which works better inside of an e-bike. And it even has a little key ring, which is something I found out when I got them. And it's this product right here. So this comes in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. I got the 4-pack. And what they look like are just these little guys right here. In fact, I already have one on my set of keys right here that I've set up. I wanted to set it up. So it comes with a little key ring and a little plastic casing. So I got the 4-pack, so I've got a bunch of them. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to set it up. All you need to do, hold that button down for a couple seconds, open your Apple Find My, hit the plus, it finds it, it syncs it exactly like an Apple AirTag. It's actually very, very easy to use. So does it work very good? I'm going to throw my keys out here and then I'm going to see if it can find it. I won't even look where they're going. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on right now. We're going to go find it. Let's go. All right, so I'm looking to my right, left, looking all around here. Where are my keys? I know they're in my yard somewhere. So I am heading over here. It says it's this direction. I do like that it tells you the direction you're going. Pretty cool little feature. Very similar to the AirTags. Ah, there it is. There's our keys. All right, nice. All right, so there you go. Now I have it just on my key ring right there. As you can see, really easy to find. Now these could be anywhere. They could be miles down the road and you would still be able to find your keys if you left them somewhere, maybe at a bar, whatever. You could put them inside of your phone case. It's a very small little device. You could put them on your e-bikes, and that's what they're doing, these companies here. And I'm not going to mention which company told me that this is the product that they're using right here and that they're not using the Apple version of the AirTag. But I will not mention the name of the company because I'm just not going to do that. I wouldn't do that on camera, but there is an e-bike company that actually told me which one uses this. And so I figured I'd give it a go. So I did, and I'm very happy with it. So I'm actually going to put this on a couple of my e-bikes. I'm going to go for a ride. It's going to track all kinds of things where I'm at. And if I ever have something happen, I hope I never have an e-bike stolen, but if I do, I'm going to find out where they're at because I have one of these, and I'll put a side-by-side on the pricing on the screen right now because they're about half the price of the Apple version of the AirTag. So but they both work on the same network, the Apple phones, so it's really nice and really easy to use. And I was surprised the setup process was really quick. Like I said, I just held down that button, it chirped, opened up the Apple Find My on my phone, hit the plus, there it was, set up. And again, I got the 4-pack and it was very inexpensive, and they arrived same day from Amazon. So again, I'll put a link to this down in the description section and the top comment so you can find this exact one here. I can't even pronounce the name of the company. Again, it's kind of like a generic AirTag is what it basically is, but it works just the same. And it has a protective casing, which according to some companies I'm not going to mention, works even better for e-bikes. It works better in hotter conditions, in different altitudes, things like that. So that's why they went with it. Whatever company this was that told me that, they told me this is the one to get. So I'm checking it out. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. I like AirTags, and I think I'm going to like this one. So I'll test it out a little bit more, and I'll do a follow-up video in a month, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are after using it for a month.